All right. Oh wait, I forgot to do this. Shoot. This is not working. Okay. I think I was doing this yesterday though. All right, we'll see what happens. Holy loud. All right. All right, let us continue the Labyrinth dungeon. I'm trying to do like a layout, like a labyrinth type layout. I think I need to do the problem is it's going to be placed based off of the boss room. If I want to do like a perfect grid labyrinth, I just don't like seeing this. I wonder if I can change the constraint so it always has to be on center. Let's see. Can I use 0 here? Let's see what that does. Bum, 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 bum. This actually feels pretty good. There's a little bit of offset there. Like these two rooms are offset. But there's one of these now. The problem is that if I do this, if I don't move them at all, they end up being too far away, the rooms. I can make the rooms larger though, so they're all more equal size. Maybe I do that. Yeah, let's do this, but we'll do larger rooms, just slightly. I mean, the main problem is that the grid size for the dungeon room placements gets decided based off the largest room, which is the boss room. wonder if I can do wider hallways. Yeah, I mean, we can at least go a few, I think. Oh, let's do that. We'll go to 20. 2020. The boss is 36 by 36. What's up, Roger? May I ask how a labyrinth becomes horned? I think I'm going to change the name. I might call it whatever the boss name was. What's his name? Gorthon's Labyrinth. The problem is I make up a name for something and then I have to change it. I have to rename all of it inside of my, like all the folder names, all the stuff gets changed. I think Gorthon sounds better though. But I don't know, I might do something else. I'm not sure yet. This one's gonna be a barrierless dungeon. So there's not gonna be any rooms, like walled rooms. Okay, I don't know why I rebuilt that. Didn't think I'd see the day. I want to experiment with it at least. What's up, Grin dude? Yeah, the evils of file management. It's just hard to like name a dungeon something and then have to change the name of it, or name a character something and have to change the character's name. So then I end up having like two names. I have like an internal name and I have an external name, but then I have to like remember so much. It's I don't know, it's just kind of painful. This feels better. I think with wider hallways, it could maybe work. But this sort of room size kind of makes sense, I think. This is a weird layout. I want to make this one longer. So I suspect people will just run through the mobs. It would just be nice to make these squish in a little bit. Ooh, wishing well. Ooh, Paragon Willpower Ring? Insanity. But I think I finished his boss fight. I don't know. It's okay. The last phase I'm a little bit meh about, but there's one bug. If you stand between rooms, you end up outside of every mob's vision. So I need to fix that. I wonder if I do this. I do move toward parent iterations. I just do 1, 2. Let's just do 2. I just want the hallways to be closer. But when you have when you have rooms that are different sizes, it ends up causing them to be offset a little bit. I can't tell if this is closer. I can also write a different layout, a different like layout strategy thing. This one got closer. So some of them were able to get closer, but some of them weren't. Hello, man. How's it going? How you doing today? All right, yeah, we'll remove that. And I might be able to shrink the boss room a little bit. I'm not gonna deal with it though. I think this is good enough. How do I set hallway width? Hallway type. Where's my place hallway function? Add, maybe when I add a block, I place a hallway from where it came from. What engine are you using? I have my, I wrote a custom game engine on top of, I use Golang. So it's on top of OpenGL and WebGL. So it's pretty much all from scratch. Okay, add hallway. Oh, this is part of the DAG creation. I don't want that. I know there's a function. Walls? That's old. It's probably in this. When does this get called? Room and hallway dungeon. Add blocks and bridges. I guess I call it a bridge. Which is such a weird... Yeah, here's all the rooms. Oh, this is all the bridge. I add all the bridges first, then I put the rooms on top of them. That's what it is. Then I have a level bridge. And this has an add function where it writes itself. Width is set there. And I just hard-coded the width. There we go. Here's my to-do. So we'll just put it next to this one. Hallway width. It's hard though because oh, I divide this by 2. I don't like that. It's so awkward. Like, it's like, do you do hallway radius and you pick each side? No, I guess I can just divide it by 2. Yeah, we'll just do width. So make this an int. Shoot, I really, yeah, I passed the width here, I divided by 2 to get the radius. Hmm. This is gonna break all of my other ones. So let's go back. I'll have to go back through all of the other dungeons and set the hallway width. What did it used to be? 3? Okay, so we'll do I want to make a like a default hallway width. It's interesting I made it 3 divided by 2, which is technically just 1. Oops. So we'll do 4. I think I'm gonna do 4 because hallways are a little bit too narrow in my opinion in general. Okay, we have to go through all of these now. Okay, oops. Wait, where'd... Oh, there it is. This one I want to be larger. I want to do 6. I want the hallways to feel shorter. So I'm going to try to make them wider to make them feel shorter. That's my idea. Yes, we'll do that. I also need to look at how the vision gets calculated for mobs, because in barrier rooms, I set the vision that mobs can see to exactly the barrier where the walls are in the room. That way they can't see you before you get in the room. But when you don't have barriers, I need to have some kind of, I need to like expand the vision. But I actually don't think that's gonna be too hard to do. I think that stuff's in spawner. I have this disable barriers setting that I just added. So we go here. And somewhere I calculate room vision. This is the vision that gets used for all the mobs in the room. But I use the door rect for that. Door padding must come from, hold on, I just have to look at this. Let's investigate the new widths. That feels better, I think. It's wider, but it feels more open. Some of them I might do narrower hallways, I don't know. But I think in general, I think that's a good width. And this feels more, that feels better. Or I could do like a squiggle between every single one. I want to make the vision that the mobs have wide enough so that they can watch you all the way through the hallway, I think. That way when you're in the middle, you have people shooting at you this way and people shooting at you this way. But they won't follow you to like the next room. That feels pretty good. So I might need to have another setting that's like pad vision or something like that. I think I'll probably just do that, yeah. Where does this door padding come from though? That's what I wanted to look at. Oh, I do custom room padding. But by default it's 2. So what we'll do is we'll do a what I was thinking I was gonna do is I thought I was gonna do an like add a vision padding thing that gets added to. I'm surprised I pass stuff in individually. I don't like pass in the room config because I feel like most of the stuff is just room config details. But the one thing I'm worried about now is that right before you have a boss room, and you have the room before it, and you have the hallway that connects them. I'm worried that what's going to happen is, like, the normal vision would be something like this, but I want to pad it outward so that they can watch you through the whole hallway. But now my worry is that the mobs in this room are going to attack you when you're in the boss fight because you'll like go a little bit too close to there. So I'm not really sure how to capture that. But also the vision of this guy will also expand. I'll do blue. If I apply it to all rooms. I almost feel like this needs to be an individual room padding decision, like room type. But I think if I have barriers, like if I have barriers so you can't escape the room, I never want the vision to be larger than the barriers, probably. So if I use that, then I can get rid of this one. And then as long as I don't make this too large, I guess I'll be fine. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this up here. Excuse me. Yeah, I have some confusing. This is such an old system. There's like the rectangle you want to place mobs inside of. There's the rectangle where you place the actual room size. There's the rectangle that's like the where you add the barriers. There's the decision if you add barriers or not. There's all the waves that the room has associated to it. Then there's like some global stuff. Root.mob children. What is that? Add child with ID. Oh, because I've added the mobs? Thank you, buddy. Yeah, welcome. I'm glad you're enjoying it. Yeah, you can join the Discord if you want. There's a there should be a link in the description somewhere that has the Discord to it. But you're welcome to join. See if you look below though. I need to add like a bot in a Twitch bot so people can do like bang Discord or something. And the link will just pop up. Make me a mod, I'll do it. You'll be my bot? Do do do. All right, do your thing, bot. All right. I'll reply to the people myself manually. Good. The Roger bot. I'm glad this one has voice commands. I don't have to type anything in. Man, this stuff is just so scattered around. It's also confusing because there's like server side room data and there's networked room data and there's client side room data. Yeah, we spawn the room. I don't understand where mob children comes into play though. Because the room spawns the mobs. I don't know why I'm passing an array in. This one I pass nil in. This one I pass room.mob children in. What's room? Spawn room placement. Oh, I think I know. I think I have a... mob ints. Hold on. Yeah, I think because I can manually place mobs in the map that the room is. So those need to get they need to get tracked by the room, I see. Okay. Man, that's confusing. But it makes sense, I guess. Okie doke. Yeah, this is weird though. I'm not really trying to capture this. It's like I want vision padding, but only if you're a normal room. Let's see which room config this is. Yeah, so I could do this actually. Room config, and then inside of room config I might do like vision padding. If true, spawn. I'm trying to be better about adding comments to my structs, just so I know like what I intended to do with what this field is for. Because what'll happen is I'll try to reuse a field for something because I like use it at the same situation, but it ends up making me conflate too many concepts together. I might make this a rectangle. No, that's too specific, I think. Add additional tiles of room vision. Can I just pass room config into here? I'm trying to think this other situation. The thing is, I don't think I use this anymore. Like I tried before stream, I was trying to figure out what this is for. But I don't think I set this anywhere. Other than some... Oh, wait a second. I know what this is for. This is for the tutorial. That's where I use this. I guess that's reasonable. Okay. I really wish I unified this concept into the other one though, but whatever. Yeah, I think right here I'll just do a room padding field. Right after door padding, I'm gonna do door padding, room vision padding. Really, I thought I could add a bot myself, but I can only configure it and stuff after you add it. I'll look around to see what would be the best option you want. Oh, I was expecting you to just respond to people directly. I was thinking you were just gonna like... What's up, Nitrix? I was thinking you were just gonna like respond to people. Yeah, I was looking at Nightbot. There's also Stream Elements, but I was looking at the OAuth, because when you like, when you set your account on these things, yeah, no, just messing. I mean, I was like half joking. I was 100%. No, I'm just kidding. No, I wasn't like expecting you to like do anything crazy or anything like that, but I thought it was just kind of a joke that we were joking around about, I guess. I didn't expect you to go and like set up a bot for the stream, I guess. That's what I was saying. But yeah, I was looking at the list of things that you have to give the permissions for, and it's so long. Like, it's like, we can add videos to your YouTube channel. We can like delete things. We can rename your stream. We can like run campaigns. We can like, and I was like, oh my gosh. And so I just didn't do anything. I saw the list and I was like, I'm not doing that. Like, I literally just want a bot to like sit and chat and do commands. I also looked at streamer bot. The streamer bot that you sent me. But I just haven't set that. I haven't set it up yet. Yeah, it's kind of a lot. So I was just like, I don't really want to do that. Oh, streamer bot. I needed to install Wine because I'm on Linux. Okay. Yeah, we'll do the room vision padding. We'll add that to all of the things. Oh, this will just be 0. I'll just pass this in. Oh, maybe the only thing that sounds like you want is just a bang Discord command, which seems like a lot of effort just for that. Yeah. I even wrote a like, you know, Newtbot in the Discord. That originally was a this means it's strongly lagging. I don't know. It's showing green. Oh, I am dropping a lot of frames. I think I know what it is. Let me see if that fixes it. What do I have on? Yeah, I mean, like it's... I have a multi-stream going, but it's still dropping frames. Yeah, I'm not sure. Lots of drop frames here too. I mean, I've done this one so many times. I imagine that would work. I can close this. I'll close that. I'll close that. Is it happening for you too, Roger? It's showing my bitrate as being very low. I'm not really sure how to like improve it. I mean, let's see if that fixes it. I don't know. I'm getting throttled by my ISP or something. I'm trying to think of what other devices I have running. I don't think like it's not like I'm downloading anything. Let me go turn off something and see if that improves it. I'll be right back. No, it's still super low. Yeah, I don't know why it's so, man, what can be causing this? Okay, it seems like it's going up. Ah, it's frustrating. My chat's getting reset too. I even stopped scraping stock market data. I blame the DNS. It's always the DNS. Yeah. Could be. I don't really know what to do, honestly, guys. I'm sorry if it's lagging a bunch. It looks like it's maybe getting better. No, it's up and down. Whatever. I'll have to investigate after this, I think, but sorry about that. Audio's at least fine? All right. That's good. Here on YouTube, it's okay. Yeah, I mean, the problem is I have to send 2 streams out, one for YouTube, one for Twitch. And maybe YouTube's getting the prioritized one, and then Twitch is not getting that prioritized one. YouTube's solid, good. All right. Go to YouTube, guys. You'll see the it'll be better. I don't know. Makes it confusing that the audio is seamless. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on. Very strange, but whatever. At least you guys can put me on the background. It's not like there's that much going on screen anyways. Usually it's just me typing. So. It sucks. I pay so much for internet now too. What they did for my bill is they just like, they're like the entry cost, and then like every 6 months they add like $5 to it. But they're the only ISP that I can use. Like they're the only ones. So I'm like, I'm just kind of trapped. Okay, well, we added the vision padding at least, so. Let's go to the horned labyrinth, and we'll do vision padding of, I don't know, 8? 8 on every corner. We'll see what that feels like. It says 300 kilobits per second, which is super low. It should be like 2000. But yeah, the YouTube one seems fine. It's just the Twitch one is not working. Weird. Maybe Twitch is having issues. Maybe that's not me at all. Holy, this build is long. Do 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 do. All right. Let's go see if the vision stuff works. I like the new hallway width though. I think this is good. I just want to see where they stop seeing me. I should take my boots off. All right, right there. So I'll add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll add 6 more. We'll add 6 more. Plus 6, which is 14. Looks like there are factors from days ago didn't help much with build times. Yeah, unfortunately. I have these large packages that the leaf packages all depend on still, and I'm trying to get rid of that dependency. I don't think the build times are going to improve until I get rid of that. So it's like a moving towards goal. It's not like a done. It's not finished yet. It's funny because he can go in this room, but he won't attack. Maybe that's bad. I guess I could change it. I don't see it being that big of an impact thing. Other than you can clear a room, lure the guys over and then kill them, but... Or I could just make these roomless. I could do that. And then they would just have normal monster vision. What if the whole dungeon were just big halls? What? Oh, like make the hallways as the same size as the rooms? We could definitely do that. Do you think this would be too big? Let's see, how big will we add the width? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So add 14 to the width. Plus 14. Shrinking the rooms down to the new hallway size. Let's see how this looks. Do 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 do. This looks kind of okay. I think these are too big though. I like this. This is an interesting idea though. What I might do is make the rooms and hallways both smaller. Let's open up the editor. Man, I feel like I ate something, but it's like making my mouth taste weird. I don't know how to explain that. That's the boss room. We want to do smaller. We'll do 16 by 16. Ah, shoot. I forgot I have to do this first. This one? Oh wait, but I need to go. What did I say, 16? Okay, then in the configs, we'll do hallway width of, what is this? This is 20. That's exactly what it was. So we'll do 16. Oops. I'm trying to think if there's a way that I could have some like carpet that runs along all of the hallways. But I don't think I can do that unless I make... I could probably use sections of carpet. I want to get the layout done before I do the Oh, the spawn room is a different room. This is kind of cool. In the boss room. Can I leave? No. Hold on. I didn't want to run in there. I wanted to run around a bit first. I see the boss room down there. Are there any plans to add traps to the dungeon so people don't just sprint through to the boss? Well, so I have these boots that make me really fast. So you can't like really sprint through. You're still gonna have to dodge the stuff. But this is going to be a different type of dungeon than the normal ones where I have walls. You have to clear rooms one by one. So I'm okay with people sprinting past the mobs, but they'll have to dodge bullets. But that said, I think it would be cool to have some traps. Yes. Some traps and like more decorations in the hallways, obviously. I think that would look good. These aren't the mob. These aren't the guys that are going to be in the dungeon. These are guys from a different dungeon. But their attack set kind of works, so. Fake death. There's the boss room. Let me put my boots on in haste. Go, go, go. What's up, Axe? How's it going? I should see the entire dungeon. That's actually not bad, honestly. I do want to make the shoot-off hallways shorter, on the shorter side. This is maybe a little short, though. for a labyrinth dungeon. I'm doing well. I want to do, what did I want to do? I want to go down in size by, I want to go to 12. I want to change the spawn room and the normal room, and the room that we're placing right now, which is just like one normal room. Oops. What did I say? What did I say it was 12? Oops. I wanted to do that, and then I wanted to do a longer, right? I'm gonna make a special function for labyrinths, I think. Yeah, so the normal one, how it works is I do one main hallway, and then I do smaller offshoot hallways. Well, what I actually want to do for this one is I want to do, I think I want to do multiple long hallways, and then I want to do multiple shoot-off hallways, multiple smaller shoot-off hallways. Yeah, I'm going to try to make the rooms 4 tiles smaller. That'll be the next test we do. Because it did feel a little bit wide. We're still like we're ranging into the right zone. I get so tired from waking up at 6 a.m. to go to school. That's early for school. I thought school started at like 9 or 10 or something. Yeah, that's insane. We'll do this, number of long hallways. We'll do long walk. Long hallways. Long walk. So we'll do like 3 long hallways. And then we'll do, those will be 10 each. Or we'll do like 8 to 10, I don't know. And then we'll do 5 small hallways. We'll do 7, we'll do 10 small, we'll do 9 small hallways. Let's give it a test. I also think I'm gonna add like, you know those iron, what's it called? Those like metal fences that are in the haunted biome. I think I'm gonna add some of those for the labyrinth as well. I guess 8 a.m.'s not bad. That's a long bus ride though. I had a 2-hour lecture on binary number conversions today from 8 to 10. Oh dang, oh, so you're in college. I remember those days. Learning about 2's complement. So I just want to map out the entire maze and see what it looks like. Actually, I don't know why I'm doing this. I have a, in my editor, I have a way to just output the dungeons. This might be too long. Well, I think there's a dead end over here. I want to get this one before I go to the end. Thanks, Axe, for the follow, man. Appreciate it. Oh, shoot. Oh, okay, I could leave. Good. That's the boss room. Sometimes the doors get bugged if I... Okay, I guess that's not terrible. It is very long, though. It's very spread out. Let's generate a few of these and we'll just see how they all look. I haven't used this editor feature in a while, so I wonder if it's going to crash. Okay, seems to work. Yeah, it's this one, okay. We'll just see a few of them and see how they look. That was awfully close to something. It's not bad, honestly. It's hard to tell where the start room is, honestly. I wish I kind of marked that. It might be this one, I don't know. Let me change the start room. I guess that's in the editor, isn't it? I'm just gonna do like this. I just wanna see where the start is. You already know it's gonna happen and be screenshotted in the Discord within a month? Wait, what do you mean? Oops. Oh, I know what you're talking about, yeah. Hopefully none of those pop up. Yeah. Oops, I wanted to go to next. Okay. Oh, double entrance. The only downside with this is that there's going to be some of these where you go down a really long hallway and you're like, oh, shoot. But I guess that's okay if there's not rooms, you know? It's a labyrinth for a reason. Yeah, I just know people are going to complain. See, this one's not bad because all of the offshoots are pretty short. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this, I think. Just make the drops OP. Yeah. The boss fight's not bad. It's not too hard, I don't think. At first it was gonna be too hard, and then I was like, no, I decided to make it a little bit easier. I guess we need to decorate these a bit. I might tweak these some, just in case if I get some really bad rolls, but we need to make monsters, which will be like slaves, and then we need to make decorations. Oh, I wanted to put carpet down. I wanted to put those cages. Yeah, okay. Let's decorate first. I think the hallway sizes are good though. You can do skeletons shackled to the wall decorations, if wall decorations are feasible. Yeah, I can definitely do that. I just gotta draw it. I'm gonna copy this normal to all of them. Shoot, which one was it? Normal 1, or sorry, normal 0 is the right one. How do I do this? Normal 2. Normal 3. Map. Normal 4. Normal 5. We'll do 6. Or technically that's 7. We'll go up to 6 though. Oh, horned labyrinth. Oops. Okay. I guess I have to box them because the hallway could go either direction, couldn't it? What mouse do I use? Sensei. SteelSeries Sensei. It's a little bit grody, so I won't put it too close. It's nice though. It's got some buttons on one side and it's got some buttons on the other side. See, my temptation is to do like I guess I could do this. The problem is this might end up being like, it could be going this way and then it's like there's two carpets that are just like wrong direction. I don't know, we'll have to just play with stuff, I think. 2, 3. 2, 3. Do blank ones. Let's just see how that looks, and then we can maybe adapt. I might just, yeah, I'm gonna do the editor and just look at it. Oops, I need to do 21, 22. Wow, then none of them are oh, I don't have the right. I'm only placing one room, I think. What do we go to 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Oh, I need to regenerate assets. Hold on. Starting to slouch. Oh. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I don't know. It definitely breaks up the monotony a little bit. Stuff like this looks weird though, I think. But maybe when you're running through it, it doesn't. Let's go run through it. It might make sense just to have a square, one big square carpet sometimes. But we'll see. I'm gonna take my boots off though. Obviously this room is just the start room. I need to redesign that one. I don't know how I feel about these. Oh, they're getting put. I was wondering what this was, but it's because it's getting attached to the wall. Yeah, very kind of him to put some fine carpeting down. It's not terrible. The carpeting is a little bit weird, I think, but I'm just not sure. I'm not really sure how to design this. I think these just look out of place, these fences. I might do fewer and larger, maybe with like skeletons inside of them or something. Bone piles. Yeah. These kind of look out of place though. Maybe mix it up. You could have a darker gray line going through all the paths. Yeah, how the dungeon placement stuff works is I place down a room and then I place down hallways that connect it. So it's kind of hard to have like a continuous path. It would be kind of cool to have a continuous carpet or something like that through everything. Like it's just about how much effort I want to put into adding something like that, you know? But I could maybe do some sort of like inner hallway, outer hallway thing. Because I have this thing called decoration passes that I can do to add like things procedurally. Like I could place a red carpet through the entire dungeon if I wanted to. It would make it feel more cohesive, I guess. Thank you, Behemoth, for the follow, man. Appreciate it. Welcome. I just think stuff like this looks weird, where it's like you'd expect it to be rotated. Like the carpets would be going along the way of the hallway, you know? Let's see how hard it would be to do a single carpet through the whole thing. What are we doing? We're making a video game. That's what we're doing. What we'll do is we'll do a, these will be the hallways. These are for the rooms. Hold on. Yeah, we'll do hallways, rooms, and then we'll do the decoration line across all of the hallways. Let me just, I'm gonna hard code it here. Eventually we'll make it some configurable thing though. I'm gonna call it like post bridges. We'll call it bridges. I'm in the middle of a load balancer Kubernetes for monitoring dashboard and I'm too tired for it, man. You gotta go to sleep there, buddy. Kubernetes sounds fun though. I'm just gonna do this exact same thing. I just wanna see that I wanna see it work and then I'm gonna believe it. I'm just gonna subtract like -8. Or what did we make the hallway size? 12? Width is 12? Yeah, 12. So we can't subtract 8. That'd be too narrow. We'll subtract 4. We'll subtract 6. And then this is going to be, I'm in level, so it's tile. Oh, it's configs.tile carpet red. So then it'll place the hallways, and then on top of that, it's going to place carpeting through all of the rooms. Oh gosh. I'm trying to change the name. It's now Gorthon's Labyrinth. No, you're good. It was funny. You did make me laugh. Do you have a reason the labyrinth looks like an abandoned castle? It'd be cool if it gave more natural look on those garden wall. Garden look like those garden wall labyrinths. You mean like a hedge type wall? It would be cool. I don't have a tile set for like ruined walls, I guess. So I just have that one stone wall. But yeah, I get your point. I only have a few tile sets for walls right now. And I don't really want to go work on another one right now, but yeah, it would be cool if it was a little bit more like decayed. But yeah, I think I'm gonna remove those fences. I was trying to do like slaver cages or something like that. I just think it looks too weird. I don't know. Leave that for the artist you hire when Mythfall makes $1 bajillion. That's probably, if Mythfall does well, that's probably the first person I'm gonna hire. Okay, this did not work. Or it worked. Oh, I pinned to the wrong thing. I pinned it to the bridges array. I love how I change this package, then every single thing has to rebuild. Like I have to rebuild every single dungeon. Do 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 boom boom boom. Because they're all room and hallway dungeons. And then most of the game depends on this code too. Okay, that was a pretty fast back in binaries build. So it's mostly just the assets have to rebuild. That's a little weird. I could probably change the hallway though to go through. Oh, this is because this room had the 2 hallways in it. That's why. This one looks pretty good though. I don't know if a carpet's better, or it might be better to do just a darker, like you said, a darker stone maybe. What do you use for packaging your assets? Plot twist, carpet used to be white. Oh gosh, that's dark. Let's go to the editor. What do I use to package my assets? I just package them into by like binary files mostly. Like my all my map files are gob files, which is just an encoding format that Go comes with. What is this tile? Oh, that's that one. I wonder if I did this. And I ran that tile through. That could maybe work. Let's get rid of the cages and then we'll go back and add that. This one doesn't have cages. Okay. Tile. This, hold on. Okie doke. Let's try that, and then we'll do in here we'll do tile instead of carpet red. We'll do tile stone. I think is what I called it. This one was Sour Patch Kids, but it wasn't sweet. Or it wasn't sour, I mean. Not like the Warheads one was. But I don't think I like those energy drinks. I don't think I'm ever gonna buy them again. The sale tricked me. Oh, I wanted to run through it. I'm trying to think of what else to add. I mean, we can definitely do like skeletons and stuff like that. And bone piles, and maybe that's just the thing to do. I don't get about them, but I enjoy a couple Celsius drink flavors. Yeah, I've had Celsius before. Celsius tastes too chalky for me. I don't know. I mostly like some of the more tame monsters are pretty good. But energy drinks are good. I'm a huge fan. I should like rice out this monitor with some, there must be some like terminal UI thing you can download or something that has like this, has like all the info about the computer or something. And whenever I switch screens, I'll have that as the background. How are we feeling about this? almost wonder if inverting this would be the right call. I should just do caffeine pills. The can is smaller, so I don't think it gets much of it. Yeah. I've never done caffeine pills before, but I have heard people have recommended it to me. Yeah, then it'll look like there's stone out here, and then they've tiled the middle part. Let's just go ahead and only do one, just to see how it looks, so we're not wasting tons of time. Okay, yeah. I started trying to make my own little energy drinks. I'll take like a Propel. What's it called? Like one of those powder things, Propel powder thing. And I get carbonated water, and then I mix the Propel thing with this like caffeine powder stuff. It's pretty good. It feels healthier than an energy drink, so that's why I like it. I'm trying to think of how to do this. I guess I'll just do this. Whatever. 1, 2. Yeah, I think that'll look okay. That's such a good idea for carbonated water. Yeah. I got this like guarina powder or something. What is it called? I have like all my stuff closed because my stream was lagging. I think it's called like guarina powder. I can look it up if you want. Guarana powder or something. It's from the Amazon rainforest apparently. So that's how you know it's healthy. I'm confused. Why did this? Oh. Because this hallway type should be light. This is decent, I guess. This feels the best so far. Maybe this with like rubble or something like that could be kind of cool. Definitely shippable. That's what I like to hear. I like to hear it looks good enough. Yeah, I like this. I think this is good. Let's see what art we have for like bones and stuff. Bone. Skull. This is a really old light source I used to have. This used to be for Grug Pit, I think. Gosh, it's crazy to run into like really old art. Man, I'm trying to think. I know there's one. It might be in here. Hold on. Or not. Where would I have put that? Maybe in here. This is kind of what I was thinking of. This girl looks decent for sure. Have a couple of those lying around randomly. I'm trying to look for more like... Oh, these are just old stuff. Okay. Where's my bio? Here it is. Let's copy this. This one might be too, this might be too light. Let's steal some of these rocks. And we'll just see if we can put together some, get the naked man off screen. See if we can put together some kind of like rubble piles or something. I don't know. I mean, maybe I just do this, stuff like this, where it's like a big chunk. Maybe just like things like that would look pretty good. But maybe more blocky for the center one. Let's try this. I want to make this less, more man-made looking, I think. I want to try to model it off of something like that. This is like a little bit natural, but I think I want to do just like something like this. Sorry, I'm kind of like tracing here. Maybe like here or something? I don't know. Oops. It's a very strange shape. I almost feel like this needs to go. I don't want to lose this though. I feel like that needs to go like there. Mm. I mean, the thing is, none of these like look bad because it's supposed to be a little bit like crumbled and destroyed and stuff, right? So I can always just like throw some dots and it's like whatever. It could work. This edge needs to be harder. What's up, Tinspin? How's it going, buddy? Things are going. I don't love it, but I don't really like hate it either. One thing I do a lot of is I overanalyze this, but it could look fine once it gets placed. I wonder if I can just add more flatter. One thing I don't like about this is it implies that you can't walk there. I'm trying to think if there's a way to easily add like a stepped appearance to the ground. Like bricks have shifted up or down or something like that, you know? Like what if I just did this? Should be more. What if I just did a decoration pass with stuff like this? That would at least give the ground more texture. Yeah, I mean, let's try it. I think it's about stepping towards the right direction, not necessarily having it all figured out at once. I I'm gonna throw these in a file someplace. I don't know. I'm not sure where though. Do I do these in trimmed? This was an idea. I'll go ahead and just make a file. I'm just gonna do, I can do a file per thing, right? Static. Delete layer. You could swap the lights on a couple of those and make them look sunken. Oh, that's a good idea. I'm trying to think if there's a transformation I can just easily do. I'll just do this. Or what, that was one. There we go. I might need to square these ones out though. Because they're kind of a little bit of a pit. I might do this for these ones. Actually, maybe I do it for all of them. No, these ones should pop out, I think. These ones look, I think that's okay. Let's do that. It's super hard to see how these are gonna look until it's on top of like the tile that it's gonna be on top of, you know? So we'll just have to see. I just can't imagine that this would look good. I don't know though. Okay. All right, let's make assets for these. I think I put it in prefabs. Decals. I'm so torn on whether or not I want to have like a common decal area, or if I want to put decals like organizationally inside of each dungeon that I first use them. Because the problem is I make this decal and it's like, because I want to use it in this dungeon, but I might want to use it other places. So I don't know like how generic to make these things. So I don't know. I guess I'll just put it in one spot for now. Like I put the Necromancer Garden ones here. So we'll just do that, I guess. Where's like a rock beach small? Let's try this. What's the biggest eagle? How's it going, buddy? What biome is this dungeon for? Enchanted Grove, which I'm probably going to rename to something different. Like Centurion Forest or something. Centurion Forest maybe doesn't sound super good. Static. Orange Labyrinth. Raised. 0. I'm here to give you music for a new dungeon. Sign me up. Where do I sign? How many are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll go 0 to 3. I don't remember what I counted to. It's a maze of sorts. There's 4, or there's 5, so 0 to 4 is the right thing. I like mazes. Well, you're gonna love this one then. What did I say? Sunken? Raised. When you new asset IDs. Oh, Rubble. What was Rubble with I don't think you're ready for this one. It is groundbreaking. Literally, it's beneath the ground. We had to break the ground to build it. All right, let's open up the editor. We'll just plop down some of these in the rooms and then see how they look. But I think I procedurally will place them. Unless there's some reason I can't do that. Okay. I really need to improve. I have so many assets now that it's like overwhelming to go through this thing. Here they are. It's not terrible, honestly. These ones don't fit as much, I don't think. I think if you swap the grays for the sunken ones, it might look better. just made them squares. Wait, what do you mean? Remove the borders? Will this hot reload? I don't know. I want to save this. We'll exit. Get up. Too many things opening. You guys hear it? All right, I'm imagining. All right, we'll listen to it. It could work. So supposed to be shadowed because it's lower. Yeah, I think there's too much drum in it. But then I feel like if you remove the drum and the vocals, then it's just the background track. I think these one need more height variety. I'm not really sure what to do with this though. Let's try to do outside square. Big as the arc, maybe you can explain it better. Instead, make the dark gray on the bottom and light gray on top. Oh, I see what you're saying. So it'd be this. I mean, the problem is this is like the tile color. So you do this. Or do you do like one down? I mean, it does look, maybe this is what we do. Let's try that. Or I'm gonna do the darkest first. We're experimenting. Oops. Then this is next. Then this. All right, we'll try that. And then I wanted to do more more variety of heights for these, I think. All right, let's try that. I'm lost. I'm watching this in professional Valorant right now. That's actually decent. It's just very, I probably just need to do less color variation. Like I just need to make it less, well, there's two things that are hard. It's just, it feels not connected. Like it feels like a floating hole, if that makes sense. It's like, why is there a hole here? Like, why are these pixels not like colored correctly then? You know what I mean? I don't know. I don't know if I'm explaining that well. Let's make these less pristine. Hold on, let me open this up. It's crazy how you have the like exact same color. I trust your vision. No, you're good. Yeah, the problem with the sunken in ones is that they just don't line up as much with what exists already. Like if there's texture on the ground and then there's a hole on top of that texture, it looks like a hole on top of a texture. So I think holes I might have to put into the tile set rather than... This just looks like a very tall one. A very tall, thin one. Which is fine, but... Mm-hmm. That looks kind of weird. But there needs to be something up here, right? Why can I not? Yeah, I think you need something like this. One there, and then these ones here. I don't know. I don't know if I love that, but. Let's see how this looks. Art is hard. Obviously stuff like this looks less good now. Oops. I deleted too much. Yeah, I mean, do you get what I'm saying though? Like the problem isn't that there's a border here. Because over here, this looks fine. It looks like a little divot, right? You have like a slanted in where it grays out a little bit and then it gets darker and darker depending on which side it's on. The problem is when you do this, and now you have this like texture. It looks like a hole on top of a texture. You know what I mean? Because like the hole is on top of the texture. Like this texture doesn't feed into the hole. Right? Unless I like, and what this is, like these are supposed to be like divots in the ground a little, you know what I mean? But these are a little bit too scraggly looking. They're not like circular enough, I think. I wonder if I just place rocks down, how that would look. I'm gonna go look for those rocks. Where are my rocks? Where my rocks is. Oops. I mean, like, this just looks so much better. Even though it looks much more naturally formed. I don't know. So I'm just deciding what I want to do. I'm gonna go back to how this was. Good old Control Z magic. Okay. Hello, you. Where do I do decoration passes? I think I do it in like the forest dungeons, like Elder Tree. Tile, stone, light, I think. And we want to do prefabs dot, or no, entities dot new. Or hold on, let's just go look at how this got created. Random mirror X. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's do this. And we'll do a lot of decoration pass to this. Well, I just want to see how it turns out. Let's just do the exact same. Oops. It's weird. It only places it in the rooms. It doesn't place it in the hallways. Or is this a hallway? Yeah, this must be a hallway. And the clustered distance is too far. But it's only 5 away. Let's do 2. This one's so strange. It like the left side of the pixel is off for just that one though. It must just be getting trimmed weirdly. Let's place it everywhere. Yeah, this one's definitely a labyrinth. Okay, I just need to fix these ones. I think it's because it's getting trimmed. A giant spider. All right, let's give it a listen. This one fits pretty well, actually. Yeah, I don't know if I can do a spider. I have these little slave characters I'm gonna put in as the mobs. That's what I was planning to do at least. But it would be cool to do a spider dungeon. I like this one. It does have some Labyrinth vibes to it. It's like things like this just look weird. Like I need more of these. Do I just do this? 2,000? All right, I'll put it in my, I'll use this one probably. What's the plan for the Halloween event? You guys want the same one as last time? Or is that too lame? I like it. Last one, all right? I think I've heard, is this what I'm using for? This one could maybe work too. At least the intro seems fine so far. I think the tall ones look weird. Oops. Those are the first three. That one could maybe work too. Do the same as last year with some slight additions. Yeah, I know. But it's not even September yet, is it? It sucks because all of the holiday events are right next to each other. So it's like, I feel like it's going to be Halloween, Christmas, and then Easter. Like one after the other. I'm going to fade these in more, I think. I'm going to try something. Oh, this one will do. This one will do. I still think I like the first one best. It's not like it's a bad song. It's just I think the other one fits Labyrinth vibes better. Like all the music's fine though. Like I could see this being like a song that gets played like in one of these biomes maybe. Like this would be a cool biome. This would be cool for Forgotten Vale. Where everything's kind of like weird and like mysterious. I actually might use it for Forgotten Vale. Where's my obsidian? Oh, I closed it because I was lagging. Introducing bases, a new core plugin that lets you set any set of nodes into a powerful database. Okay. Soft, devour. What's up, Grumpy Edge? Let's go. I love Forgotten Vale. Oh, the monster fights are good, you mean? That was pretty good too. I don't know what's up with the lag. For some reason, my stream to Twitch is like really low bit rate. I don't know if it's a Twitch issue or like something just went wrong with my stream today. I'll have to investigate. It's just hard to like test this stuff out because I have to kill my stream, put it back up, and then like try different stuff. Oh, nice. 2 weeks vacation. That's pretty good. The ambiance is brilliant in Fountainvale. Thank you, buddy. I don't think I put a song in there, did I? I think I use the same one, right? Oh, it's probably in configs, biome. Yeah, right now I just use the same 3 songs. Same with all of the biomes. I think I use Asteroid Prairie though. Oh, is this number 2? It was just better mix. I can't remember if I used that one or if I used a different one. I think I used it for Luminous Cavern though, but I might have not. I might have done a different one. Keep scrolling the backwards. Oh no, it's not. It's a Luminous Cavern. Oh, it's Canopy. I used Canopy. Well, there's a new dungeon, so I have to make new items for the dungeon. This one would do well in like a ghost vibe. This one gives me ghost vibes. Which I do have a ghost biome, but I thought I remember having good music for that one. I don't know. Like, there's definitely gonna be more like haunted things. Not haunted necessarily, but there's gonna be more ghostly things, I guess. So I'll put it in my list. These are just too dark. Let's remove the shadow. Or what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do black. Preferably your normal dungeon items queue. So armor, weapons, pages, crafting material, and things to be crafted with that mat. Which I was disappointed there are no pages for jellyfish dungeon. I also have a ton of... Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think for the jellyfish, like... What I need to do is... It's too much items to have all of these... We need thrash metal for the Minotaur fight. I usually just do one song per dungeon. What I'm realizing though is like having items drop for the area bosses, having items drop for the final bosses is just too much. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add items that are gonna be like biome items. So you'll... Oh, just kept going. I'm gonna have biome items or like biome specific items, you know, like I'm gonna make things like the bubble wand are just gonna drop from regular mobs in some of the beach biomes. I'm gonna make like some new swords and weapons and armors and items and stuff like that that just drop from regular mobs. And then I'm gonna have I'm gonna replace the crafted items with those, I think. And then what's it called? And most of the big items are gonna come from bosses. Jellyfish also didn't have a pet, so. Oh, it's because I need to do that, don't I? Load here. What is this file called? Orange Labyrinth. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's try that. Ads have ended. Did you hear nothing I just said? This one's not bad, actually. Absolutely none of it. Gosh. Rock is hard to fit into a fantasy game. Why is it still doing it? I thought I changed this. How did I fix this? Orange Labby. Oh, hold on. It might just be the fact that it's dash raised. All right, let me re-explain it. What I was saying. It's the thing I realized is I can't have like a ton. It's really hard to have a ton of the same, Sorry, let me just think about how to word this. It's really hard to have a bunch of special items for all of the monsters. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have like biome specific special items, and I'm gonna scatter them across the entire biome. And then I'm gonna have special items for bosses. Most of the special items will be for bosses. This actually kind of works, I think. Like, because what I was doing was every set piece boss had like a few special items. Every final boss had, or every dungeon boss had a few special items, and it was just getting to be too much. So I completely forgot that I put this on cat mode. There you go. Yeah, now you guys get to look at me again instead of Luna. I think this looks way better. I think the border just makes it too much like too much stuff is going on. All right, let's ramp up the number of things. Oh, I'm not using this one, am I? I'm using this one though. Yeah, we want to do more items. Let's do 3. Gibbon. And as a player, I enjoy it when there's a lot to collect from a dungeon. Yeah, so I want dungeons to be like the big reward, but then I want there to be like for example, I want to make like a bee stinger sword, and if you kill a bee in Gumbo Forest, like they drop those. So there's gonna be like a few items, or like one special item per thing, if that makes sense. Okay, this looks pretty good. At least textures the floor a little bit. That took a long time to figure out. All right, let's add mobs because I don't want to spend more time on the art stuff. I think if art stuff comes together, it'll come together. I want to add the mobs. I did draw them already though, I think. Or at least I have a few that I want to use. In biome. Here. But I'm talking about how little items there are from Jellyfish Dungeon comparatively to the Under Dungeon. Yeah, I know the Jellyfish one doesn't. Doesn't have many. Where did I add them? Oh, I drew them here. I have a question. I know that in browser WebAssembly, we have a single thread. How did you handle sound processing? Usually it requires a separate dedicated thread for sound. How's it on Go routines? Not care about this. I use Auto. Where is it? GitHub.com. Auto. You can take a look at this. This is the sound library that I use. It's written by the guy who makes Ebbit Engine. I don't know exactly how he implements sound playing, but I don't know if it runs in a web worker or if it's some special side thread thing. But sound is one of the things that lags the most for Mythfall. Like what I hear a lot is that like the sound is laggy or something like that, you know? So sound is just a challenging thing in browsers, I think. But Auto seems to work pretty well. Maybe on lower end devices it doesn't work super well, I'm not sure. Yeah, so you can look at how he implemented WebAssembly if you want. I looked a little bit, but I didn't really like look too in depth. All right, here's our characters. wonder if I could do like a... Maybe we'll try that. I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna animate that though. Let's do these ones first. Who do I want to clone this off of? I'll just take one of the elf people. I'll take this guy. Mob. Hold on. Yeah, I got the waist, I think. Let's do this guy. Actually, I'm gonna do this guy first. I think he looks the best. Ah, shoot. I don't remember where it's centered. Right there. Okay. Ah, shoot. Wait, I'm so confused. Why is he so shifted? Oh, because he has a dagger. Nope. Yep. Okay. All right, we'll go right below his glove. Just chop him. All right, that's pretty good. All right, there's one. Slave 1. Slave 2. Oops, wrong spot. I keep doing on the wrong one. I need to copy this, put it in the right frame, and then I can move it. All right. Oops, too far. No, that's actually right. Okey-doke. And then this one's really similar. I might just copy this file and not do the ball and chain thing. And then just recolor the colors. I'm gonna show you that. I'm just gonna recolor this guy. I went for like an orange, I guess. Okie doke. I don't know why I'm not finding this play button. Okie doke. We have our Minotaur. I don't know what I'd call it though. Like mob. Minotaur small or something. I actually wonder if I should be doing it here. Yeah, that's way better. Oh well. I'm probably not gonna fix the other guys, but I'll learn. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Idea for an event. There are 2 teams based on which holiday it is, and players are randomly but evenly assigned to a team. For every mob and boss the player defeats on the team gets points. When the event is over, the team that won gets a prize, and the team that lost gets a participation prize. That's a cool idea. That'd be a hard with the current Mythfall player count. That'd be a hard thing, I think. That wouldn't be too hard to implement though, I think, because what I would do is you just enter a dungeon, and when you enter, I'd put you on a team. Kind of like how I do the wave arena for the Halloween event. I would just put you on a team. It's hard to know who killed something though. Yeah, there has been more people playing, which I don't know why. I don't know what spurred the revival. The only thing that's hard is All I could do maybe is like how much damage your team does. Maybe that would be the easiest thing to track. Oops. School's back in session, I guess. Oh, I didn't even think about that. But maybe. The Mythfall playtest stream. Did you do one? Now everybody wants in. All right, we have our characters in. Oh, let me feed my cats really quickly. I'll be right back. Oh, when you first on the game you did? Nice. Give me 1 second. All right. Oh yeah, we need to make the mobs now. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna put them in this section, I think. Oh, I had 2 of these though. That's fine. Or maybe get rid of that one. Slave 0. Mob slave 0. Slave small. No height function. Nope. And then collider 8 is fine. I gotta change that. This wouldn't be right. This should be tier 2. Medium health, I guess? I don't know. What's up, Justin? How's it going? Okay. You a dev? I'm an actor. Nice. Cool. Do I need multiple? Oh, I'm doing body. It's just monster. Thank you, buddy, for the sub. Appreciate it. Glad you're enjoying it. All right, let's see how this one. I just want to see that these get placed, that they have the right art, and then we'll. Then we will add the rest. I don't know exactly what attacks these guys will do, but I'm probably gonna give them pretty coverage attacks because I think people are just gonna run through. Let's do this. They're just using a different. Holy. No more stream lag? Did it go away? Oh yeah, it does seem pretty stable now. It must have been a Twitch thing, I don't know. I want to start this back up. I want to see if this causes it to lag. Never mind, spoke too soon. Uh-oh. I just want to see if this makes it drop. These guys don't even have a behavior. Let's at least give them something simple. We'll just do like move and shoot probably. What's something I can copy this from? Like a slime and gumbo or something? I don't know. Behavior group, move and shoot. That's what I use now. It is crypto mining in the background too? No. It's just hooking up to the Binance order book or like WebSocket connection and just pulling data. I get how this looks. I just got kind of interested in algorithmic trading like 2 weeks ago. So I've been scraping data constantly just to like do some kind of stuff with it. So I kind of mess around when I have time. Could you imagine if I did crypto mining? This is how many Bitcoins I mined, yeah. That'd be nuts. What else does this have? Stop to shoot. I kind of usually like that. Move speed. Like 50? Do too close, 50, too far, 100. Actually, I'm gonna make them just chase. Is there a default attack range that we get? We'll do attack range of like 100. 10 tiles. All right, let's make a weapon for this guy. We'll just do attack, fan, projectile, orb, white, red, and then we'll do like 10 of them at 0.25 circle. All right. Wait, how am I still alive? You would think pulling data through this though wouldn't slow down my stream, so. I think this is reasonable though. All right, let's copy this for the rest of it. Because we have 2 more of these and we have a Minotaur monster. The Minotaur monster though I'm gonna put inside the biome and then also put it inside of here. Is this Godot? No, this is Go. These are like my monster definition files. Okay, there's the 3 slaves. Where is it? There it is, slave 0. Let's go ahead and add the Minotaur. I need to go to Enchanted. We'll copy so the problem is this guy I want to have like kind of a more complicated behavior. I'm gonna copy this Centaur Warrior. With a Minotaur small. Did I do a dash? I probably did a dash. Oh, dash SMAL. Oh, I should have copied this. We'll do that for the slaves. I think I don't know if I say it. I'm just gonna make a new one. We'll have to redo that. We'll have to redesign this one, but this is from Enchanted. Okay. I guess I may as well make a category for Minotaurs. And then if we're gonna do that, then we may as well make the boss. What do I do in the body? Okay. Okie doke. Obviously we need to design the whole, each behavior and stuff, but I think this is a good placeholder. I actually want to do this though, don't I? I mean, I'm only copying the vision. I'm just gonna leave it. It's not a big of a deal. Oh shoot, can I, do I have to pin those? I might have to, hold on. I'm trying to think of. I'm just gonna append it. I think it might be something that gets stored in the database, because you might get a quest that's like kill this many of this category, and I think I saved those. I don't think I regenerate them. I need a way to force numbers to never change. I mean, really this stuff should be in, because what I started doing like item ID, status ID, and I think if I want to make like category, monster category ID package with all of these. What's up, cat? I also need to start planning items. Gotta start planning what items I'm gonna add. What happened? Something crash? Oh, monster category map. Oh, this one needs to have, I never added this. Difficulty. The problem with categories is it's whatever. All right, we'll do this. I wonder if I should even get rid of the category concept. I've kind of kept up with it. I don't really use it that much anymore. But I guess for skill point quests it's still used. Never mind. Room padding, what is this used for? Oh, I could have shrunken the rooms this way, I think. Man, it's just such a build. Can we change like base types? Here we go. Do. I wonder how I would play this if I wasn't invincible. Multiple dash would be so nice for this. There's just a lot of spray in here. So I guess it does cause you to be a little bit, but it's mostly like run through. These ones might be a little bit too many projectiles, I think. Let's go to Enchanted Grove though. This guy needs a different behavior, and then all the slaves do. Let's start with slave 1. He'll do let's do 7. Actually, I'm gonna do this one like this. This guy I'm gonna do is attack single. But the projectile we shoot is gonna be a like a circle. We'll do 8 count. What's the next one? A radius. I'll do 10.0. I'm not gonna make it rotate. I'll make it go 100. So we'll try that. This guy'll shoot a fan, and then this. Oh, I did this completely wrong. Slave 0 has the hood, which is more magical. Okay, we'll do that, and then we'll do the fan here. Or maybe we'll just do this one with a fan. This guy will be something else. What could he do? Maybe he runs up and then does like a knife throw spin thing. Knife throw spin attack. That's what we'll do. We'll have him, he'll be faster. He'll do a geometric sequencer. Attack single, but it'll just be 1 projectile. And then we'll do maybe like 10 of these. We'll do like 10, delay 0.4 ticks. Offset, I want to like just go like all over the place. I'm trying to think of what I would do, how I would do that. Like 0.3. Like in thirds. Maybe we need more. 20. We'll give this a shot. The Minotaur, I'm not sure yet what it will do, but we'll do something. We'll come up with some idea. We also need to add him to the biome. That's pretty good. He needs to close the attack range first, though. Let's fix that. Oops. Wrong window. Yeah, we'll do attack range of... I'm trying to think in terms of tiles, like 3 tiles, maybe. I'm I'm gonna kill these two. Oh shoot. Killed all of them. This is the mage guy. Maybe you should shoot 3 of these. One's just not really impactful enough, I feel like. Oh, that's not good. I didn't even think about that happening. They have like an invisible vision wall of what they can see. Okay, we'll just have to switch them to do I'm gonna switch the mob vision to not use the room bounds to just have, they'll just have their own vision calculation. I wanna see this. I wanna see the spin attack guy in action. Not a spin attack guy, not a spin attack guy. Lag is really bad now. Okay, let me turn this off. Maybe that'll fix it. I don't know. But my data. There we go. This guy's the spin attack guy. The problem is he's never getting close enough. Might make him just move 150. I'd say it's frozen half the time now. Oh, dang. Yeah, sorry. I'll try to get it working before I stream next. It's flickering a little for you too. Yeah. Having some technical difficulties. I'm genuinely not really sure what the problem is. He needs to move way faster because you can just outrun him. Oh, the audio is fine. Yeah, sorry guys. Sorry about the stream issues today. Okay, I mean, stopping this did improve my bitrate, surprisingly. Is it better now? Oh my gosh, these guys are so fast. They just need to have different behaviors. This is just the wrong behavior, I think, for this. Oh, it's doing like a perfect one. Yeah, I guess it does kind of pan out. It's not better. My bitrate says 41K now. Or sorry, 4.1K now. Man, I don't know, guys. I don't know whose fault it is. It's probably my fault though. I probably just need to restart my computer. You just get no spoilers. But if you saw how fast these guys are moving, you would know it needs to be fixed. I'm just gonna do a move to, and then I'm gonna do the attack. Move to attack. Like that. I'm just gonna copy it from Gorthan, move to target. I'm gonna do 1 second, I think. We can get the general idea with the slideshow stream. I'm glad. I might actually not do a duration here. I might do a speed. Oh, but then the duration gets calculated, doesn't it? Whatever. We'll see how this pans. We'll see how it plays out. Targeting doesn't matter. Loop cooldown of like 3 seconds. I don't know. And this continues to go to move. So it'll just alternate between move and attack. Oh, it's gone completely red. Why is he not moving? Oh, there he goes. Oof. That sneezed on me. Okay, that one's okay, I think. This guy needs something different, and then... It's weird they attack first. Oh, they need a fallback wander, don't they? I wonder if it's just better to do this. Like at the very top, do like a have target, have not target. I'll do I don't know. What is this? Okay, this would probably be hard, but what if there was multiple spawn rooms to split players up at the start? That would be hard. I mean, it's not impossible. That'd be interesting for sure. I can put it in my Yeah. Yeah, it's easier for non-generated dungeons. I mean, it's not impossible for generated dungeons. I just have to be much more specific about how I lay out the dungeon. Because if I do like 3 split up sections, they all need to connect to each other, then they all need to connect to the final boss. So it's not impossible, it's just, yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to... I'd have to think about it more, I think. All right, I need a state that's like enter, don't I? I need like a... I need like a wait for target. I should maybe just do this for every single mob. And we'll just do... Oh, EH. Not have target. Let's try this. So what he should do is he should wait for a target and then wander during that period. And then when he has a target, he should go to fight. And then if he loses his target, he should go to wait for target. Dun, 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 dun. Let me go outside the bounds. The one downside is I was pretty much able to escape him. He's not super hard to outrun. But I guess if you're like dodging these ones, then he just adds more stuff. I'm gonna make his rush time faster. This guy should shoot more. The wizard one. Oh no, 8. We'll make him I'm gonna make this guy faster. I might need to do a max speed. Or I might just, maybe I just give them a speed. What's a good speed? Let's just do 200 and see how that does. All right, this should be the new speed. That's not bad. Let me just imagine I'm like running through, dodging stuff, dodging stuff, dodging stuff. I want to get rid of the prepare time. I want him to just dash there and just immediately start attacking. What's this targeting? I'll do current position, no follow. Shoot, I don't know where this is. Web. All right, that's coming together. I'm gonna take a break here though, and end stream. Sorry guys for the technical difficulties on the stream quality. So I'll try to get it sorted for next time. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you all for stopping by.